Welcome to Session 28 of Grade 11 Advanced Algebra and Precalculus. Today we study mixed polynomial and rational challenge set. The focus is to combine polynomial and rational reasoning in multi-step problems requiring restrictions, graph features, and algebraic justification. By the end, you should be able to do these three things. 1. Write restrictions before simplifying. 2. Use factored form to identify wholes and asymptotes. 3. Justify solution intervals with sign charts. This challenge session rewards discipline. For mixed polynomial and rational problems, write 3 lines before solving: the restrictions, the factored form, and the question being asked. Those lines prevent most domain and graph mistakes. Analyze f of x equals x squared minus x minus 6 over x squared minus 4. Factor the numerator as x minus 3 times x plus 2, and the denominator as x minus 2 times x plus 2. The original restrictions are x not equal to 2 and negative 2. The x plus 2 factor cancels, so there is a whole at x equals negative 2. The simplified function is x minus 3 over x minus 2, so the whole y value is 5/4. The remaining denominator gives a vertical asymptote at x equals 2, and the x-intercept is x equals 3. Now suppose we need f of x greater than 0. Use the simplified expression for signs, but keep the whole excluded. Critical values are negative 2, 2, and 3. A sign chart gives positive on negative infinity to negative 2, positive again on negative 2 to 2, negative from 2 to 3, and positive after 3. Your turn. What factor cancels in x squared minus 9 over x squared plus x minus 6? Pause the video and solve it. Here's the solution. Work line by line, then check the final answer against the original question. After the video, complete these 3 tasks. Copy the model from the lesson, solve each one fresh, and write 1 error log sentence about the mistake you are most likely to make. Let's recap. Mixed rational problems begin with restrictions. Factoring reveals wholes, asymptotes, and intercepts. Simplified expressions help with signs. Original exclusions still control the final answer. Before moving on, write 1 sentence. The step I must protect is. Then read more in the explanation below the video, and visit www.bridgetoexam.com for more learning support.